everyone, my name is Steven.
I'm Eric.
And what we want to introduce is the 14th SDGs Life Before Water. Next, we would like to take everyone to pay attention to the current pollution protection of the world's oceans. First of all, due to industrial progress, the world has caused a lot more carbon dioxide emission in the past few hundred years, acidizing the seawater and the greenhouse effect affecting the climate and melting the ice in the Arctic and the Antarctic cause the sea level rise.
In Taiwan, both the government and the enterprises have invested their efforts in this part. The government has enacted new laws to follow international conventions, showing its determination to protect the environment together with the world. Before exhaust gas, enterprise will filter and then discharge it to reduce the impact on the environment. Next, let's talk about oil pollution. Whether it's drilling a well for diamond oil or a ship running aground, if there is an accident and the oil leaks out and covers the sea leaf, it may cause some of the marine organisms that breathe with their lungs to breathe and damage the marine ecology.
Moreover, this problem is very difficult to solve, and the oil may still contain harmful substances to make people sick. But at least many countries have stopped drilling at present, such as New Zealand, to protect penguins. Taiwan has also passed a lot of law on this part, and even some significant compensation among these prohibitive.
In terms of fishing catch, Taiwan adjusts its fishing policy to control the size, total amount, and the fishing area of the target fish. However, coastal fisheries are characterized by a high degree of diversity and complexity.
For example, different gear has used in different seasons and different target species are caught. Such a situation makes it difficult for specific management person and affect.
In addition, a certain degree of fishing restriction is only a temporary measure. Only by protecting the habitat and that fish and other creatures depend on can issue the biological safety of the habitat. Therefore, comprehensive habitat protection is the key method in improving the marine ecology.
In order to slow the decline of fish stock and maintain their habitat, we should promote larger and more marine protected areas, combined with various intensity of the fisheries management policy in order to effectively save our oceans.
Greenpeace also actively promotes the establishment of a 30% marine reserve to restore nature ecology by reducing human disturbance and protect all living things in the ecological habitat.
And marine protected areas have their bold and international success story, such as the Great Barrier Reef, Apple Island in Philippines, and the Bolivia.
And a 2014 study notes that FS produced in marine protected area had 5 times more biomass than fishing areas, and the spill level after substantial engagement with fishermen by protecting gathering points for spawning fish communication also brings a niche point to the local fishery.
In addition, the economic benefit of tourism brought by protection of creatures are also much higher than that of fishing. Taking shark as an example, underwater shark diving sightseeing breathing a value of 1.9 million US dollars. But if it is simply fishing and selling, it is only 18,000 US dollars. In fact, there are not only these 3 problems, but we pay special attention to these 3 parts. Of course, these are still many problems in the global ocean, but we have also seen that countries are actively dealing with them. We hope that this sea can become better and return to its original appearance.
From our own points of view, we can share more relevant information with our family and friends, and we can also activity in activities such as cleaning the beach or picking up rubbish to dedicate our small effort.
And this is we make this PPT use information. Thank you for your listening.
Oh.